more isn't always best. At Calcium Products, we think less is best when producers consider lime, gypsum, and other soil amendments. Think about it. Why would so many traditional ag lime dealers recommend that you use thousands of pounds of ag lime? Well, there's two reasons. Number one is the quality of the liming agent. Poor quality lime means you have to use more, and more costs money. And number two, for lime to work and work well, it's got to be ground very fine. And you know what happens when you mix fine with wind? With SuperCal 98G from Calcium Products, less is best. The raw materials we use for SuperCal 98G is some of the finest quality limestone on the planet. We crush the limestone into a fine powder and then create small pellets. This allows for a greater surface area coming into contact with the soil, and the pellets drop directly to the soil, so the lime goes to work right away, providing even greater coverage and no waste. That's how we recommend just a few hundred pounds of SuperCal 98G to the acre rather than thousands. With SuperCal 98G, less is best. Now let's look at gypsum. You know, not all gypsum products are the same. There are manufactured synthetic gypsum products, and there's mine gypsum. Just like with traditional ag lime, it's an issue of quality and purity. With byproducts, you can have heavy metals, clumping, poor spreading, and lower sulfate sulfur levels. So the less quality of the gypsum, the more you have to use. And there's more. We take naturally mined, high-quality gypsum that contains 17% sulfur in sulfate form, the best way to take sulfur to the plants, and once again, create fertilizer-sized pellets that won't clump or blow away. But go to work on your soil right now. And because of the high quality and quick dispersion rates, SuperCal SO4 starts working your soil in the first year. Sure, our gypsum product SuperCal SO4 will decrease compaction, stabilize nitrogen, prevent crusting, and add sulfur. But because of the quality, you don't have to use as much as you might with inferior, lower-grade products. Seeing is believing. Here's a couple of shots from the Iowa Soybean Association field tests. Our areas are the dark, lush green strips. Now that you know why less is best when it comes to high-quality soil inputs, there's a reason we can recommend less, and why when you follow our recommendations, you'll get more. More time, more yield, more money. Come by our site and find out for yourself. Use our lime or gypsum calculator and find out why at Calcium Products, less is best.